Hey, what's up guys, Srazz here back with another video, and in this video we're gonna unbox the vlog microphone from Maono. So without any delay, let's get started. So this vlog microphone here is the AU-CM10 model. So talking about the professional audio innovation and its key features, here we have the plug and play option, easy to use. So it's compatible with DSLRs and smartphone. With this, no battery is required, and it comes with a wind foam included, and it's a compact on-camera microphone. So you can see that it is easy to connect to camcorder, PC, mobile phone, camera, and it's used for interviews and all stuff. So it is also including a TRRS to TRS connector, and its frequency ranges from 20 Hz to 12 kHz, and signal to noise ratio is 70 decibels. So max SLP is up to 110 decibels. Okay, that's pretty much about its external with specifications mentioned. So let's quick unbox it. So it comes in a really thick packaging. We'll keep that aside. So opening it, we have a user manual and a gift card included. Says happy for shopping. So coming to the contents, it's directly the microphone is here with the wind foam included. So this is how it looks without the wind foam. It's of decent quality. So it has a 3.5 mm TRRS jack, and this is the camera mount. You can tight it once you attach to its camera. So we'll keep the wind foam back, and keeping the main component aside, let's talk about the other accessories we are getting in this. So this is the TRRS connector. You can see 3 black stripes on the 3.5 mm jack. So this is the TRRS, and it's also having a connector included. This is having 2 stripes, so this means TRS. So before plugging into the camera, you need to use this connector to plug in first, so that it will be a dedicated microphone jack. So while using a smartphone, you can directly use it without this adapter. So once you plug it in, so the setup is ready, so you can directly plug into the microphone and you can check the audio quality. So regarding the audio quality, I will be performing a separate video. So that is pretty much about this video, and see you guys in the next one.